This macro shot reveals the heart of the operation, where massive cylinders apply the vibrant security inks crucial for Nepal's currency.
What you're looking at is one of the most secure manufacturing processes in Nepal. Every Nepalese banknote begins as specialized security paper designed to resist counterfeiting. Inside this high-security facility, advanced printing machines apply intricate designs, security inks, and unique serial numbers with microscopic precision. The iconic image of Mount Everest, the world's highest mountain at 8,848 meters, is carefully printed onto millions of banknotes every year. Before a single note enters circulation, it must pass through multiple stages of inspection, counting, bundling, and verification. This is the complete journey of Nepal's currency, from blank paper to finished money.
The intaglio process applies extreme pressure, creating the raised textures essential for security on the Nepal banknotes.
Every Nepal banknote starts with specialized currency paper. Unlike ordinary paper, banknote paper is engineered for durability, security, and long-term circulation. Before production begins, each sheet undergoes strict quality inspections. Technicians carefully examine the paper, consistency, strength, and embedded security elements. Even the smallest defect can cause damage.
This macro shot reveals the heart of the operation, where massive cylinders apply the vibrant security inks crucial for Nepal's currency.